The day we started our life, we got a number. That is our date of birth. Until the time we don't get our names, that is our identity. Some of us might don't have an eye or a palm, but definitely every one of us has a birthday. We revolve around the 4 questions. Those are, what is happening, why it is happening, how it can be resolved, and what is my contribution in resolving it. The answer to these questions is numerology, or in layman's language, I can say the study of your date of birth to know yourself better. Since childhood, I was a curious cat. I always want to know everything about anything. And in this journey, I came across numerology. I always used to wonder how anyone can say anything about you but just knowing your date of birth. At that time, I've just cleared my 10th board, having a vacation of 3 months, totally free, ready to explore the unexplored. So in those 3 months, I came up with few more questions and not the answers. Okay, so how many of you were born on date 28? 2, only 2, that's strange. Okay, my questions were, why 80% of the billionaires are born on date 28? Bill Gates, Ratan Tata, Elon Musk, Ambani, and so on. So what's the magic behind this date? Till date, the king of Bollywood has always been a number 2 person. I mean the date of birth, of course. Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Dilip Kumar, Rajesh Khanna, and in fact, all those who created name in this industry has some or the other way placement of number 2 in the date of birth. So how this number 2 is connected with this industry? And then, on no moon day and on full moon day, the entry of lunatics increases in the hospital. In Greek, moon is known as lunar, mad people are known as lunatics. In India, we say, Chandrama man ka karak hai. So how come this so-called Chanda Mama is connected with our mental state? All these questions were jumping in my mind, and I want to know the core of it. So I started understanding all this, and in this journey, okay, some of might you must ask your friends, do you believe in all this? Or maybe asking it right now. As a human, we have 2 things, intelligence, analysis, and most of the time we do analysis. Okay, how many of you believe that you have 2 hands? You all believe that you have 2 hands? Or you know that you have 2 hands? You know that you have 2 hands, right? We don't know a day comprises of how many hours on Jupiter. We don't know Uranus and Venus planet revolve in the opposite direction of all. But we feel ourselves smart enough to judge whether we should believe or not. So start using intelligence and then analysis. Stop believing things, but start understanding things. And I did the same. I started understanding things. And in this process, I entered into this line. Okay, line would be a wrong word here. This was my soul journey, which I choose myself. Occult science is all about mystery. Till date, it has been never clear in the society what exactly it is about. Is it a superstition, or a reality, or a science, or an illusion? What exactly it is? And for me, there is nothing more attractive than a little bit of mystery. Okay, I'm not promoting numerology, astrology, or palmistry here, but definitely I gave ample of time for my curiosity. So I expect this from all of you. We all should pay attention to our curiosity, to our soul journey, instead of deciding a line. Whether I should go in this line, maybe have a company, or in this line, maybe I'll get a pension, or in this line, maybe I'll get an additional benefit. It is never like that. We have to decide our soul journey. Baba Ramdev ji decided his soul journey. No one told him to go into the line of yoga. You'll create Patanjali. No one told Narendra Modi that you should go into the line of politician. It was his soul journey which he decided. Einstein did the same. These are the people who have given ample of time to themselves to know who they are, what are their capabilities and what they can do. And that's why they are there. As a human, we have a capability to decide what is our soul journey. But because of our conditioning and exposure, we are trapped into a vicious circle of society, comparison, productivity, time, and that has given something in gift. That is dependency. Earlier, we never heard that people used to go for career seminars, life philosophy classes, motivation, but now every third person wants this. Everyone is going for career seminars, life philosophy, motivation. Because we always want some or the other person guiding us for ourselves. Or maybe we want a sympathy. I would like to say one line. Planets हमारे अधीन हैं, हम planets के अधीन नहीं हैं. That is, planets up those big objects have a certain kind of vibration and influence on us, on our life. This universe can provide us with signals, but ultimately it is us who are going to take decisions in our life. Numerology is similar to a GPS system in our car, which can inform us by the possible ways to reach your destination and can aware us which way has the maximum traffic or which way is going to take the least time. But ultimately, it is us who are going to take the decision whether we want to choose way 1, way 2 or way 3. But unfortunately, to whomever we have met into this line have considered it as a market, and that's why they ended up saying, "Iske raj ho gaye, bahut paisa kamayega. He's having blah 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 dosh, so maybe he's going to have struggles in his life." But is this what really matters? We want solution, right? The person who can actually tell us the reality, the person who has lived his spiritual journey. Example, Neem Karoli Baba. We don't know about him, right? Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg जैसे लोग उनके पास गए हैं, who have created Facebook, Apple, which we use every day. Okay, वो लोग ने आके मुझे बात नहीं बताई थी. So there are videos up on YouTube where you can see Mark Zuckerberg conveying this thing to Mr. Narendra Modi about his experience. People from outside India coming here and making use of it. What are we doing? We are engaged in making trolls on Ram Rahim, talking more and more about him, and making him even more hit. The person who can make us it, we don't know about him. Because most of the time, our focus is on the frills of a skirt, instead of basic fundamental of a skirt. And the basic fundamental says that, drive your soul to its journey, rest all will join the way. Forget about time, whether it's early, whether it's late, whether I should start it now. Obama retired at 50. Trump started at 70. Who is early? Who is late? कुछ लोगों को अभी तक शादी करने का एक मौका नहीं मिला है. सलमान खान. और कुछ लोगों ने मल्टीपल कर ली है. आमिर खान. Some became CEO at 25 and some at 50. In this race, some might seem to be ahead of you and some might seem to be behind you. But everyone is running their own race in their own time. It's just that you have to free yourself from the cluster of society, what is right, what is wrong, productivity, and give yourself ample of time, know yourself, who you are, know your soul journey, know your purpose of life, and go ahead. Time is a huge investment. Invest it wisely. Invest it in yourself. Okay, for all those who must be expecting me to say something about numbers, what number 1 symbolizes, what number 2 symbolizes, I'll say something about 2018 as it is going to be New Year soon. So 2018, when we add all of them, we get 11. 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8. And then we add 11, that is 1 plus 1, we get 2. Ultimately, you have to bring it down to a single digit number. So number 2 is associated with moon and the element of number 2 is water. On this basis, we came up with certain characteristics of number 2. That is feminism, emotions, flow, fluctuation, creativity, feeling of emptiness, change, etc. And this can be understood very well by looking at past 17 years. The time when we entered the 2000 series. The time when we changed our year number from 1 to 2. In this 17 years, the ratio of love marriages has been increased. क्यों पहले लोगों को प्यार नहीं हुआ? People are suffering more and more from depression. Why wasn't it earlier? Women empowerment have grown up like anything. Cricket was all about men, but now it is for women as well. We always heard jokes on lady driver, but now we see lady driving a cab, auto, truck as well. Why wasn't it earlier? There have been a lot of changes in every industry. In fact, we have changed our notes. Why wasn't it earlier? Social media depicts connectivity. From our near and dear ones to the one whom we don't know have a mutual connection, and that is social media. Why wasn't it earlier? All this depicts the characteristics of number 2 and the person who have connected the whole India, Mahatma Gandhi. Whatever the controversies were, whether he was right, whether he was wrong, but he was the one who connected all of us. He's born on 2nd October. So that depicts the connectivity he created inside every one of us. So all these changes are the changes of number 2, which are going to be there in 2018 as well, because 2018 is going to come on number 2. Love marriages are going to be there. A lot of people are going to suffer from depression. More and more changes are going to be there. More creativity is going to be there. More and more skilled people are coming to the industry. And the most important, the coming year is for girls. Government is going to come up with more and more schemes for girls and women entrepreneurs. So all the girls and beautiful ladies out here, make total use of it and cash it for yourself. Keep rocking, keep slaying. Thank you.